What's up guys, Fix Alex. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove radio on this Mitsubishi Outlander. That's the tools that we're gonna need, guys. Flat head basically and Phillips head to remove 4 screws. Okay, I'm gonna use plastic pick tool because I don't want to damage the cover. We need to remove that cover first. Alright, let me put my GoPro on. Alright, so start it from here. You can use flathead also, flathead screwdriver. Gently pull it. Now tap, do it from top. You see mine comes out easily because I just did it. Okay, remove that connector. All right. Now there is 4 screws. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I already removed mine to make this video shorter, guys, for you. So remove those 4 screws, pull the radio out and remove 3 connectors, guys, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and if you want me to record something else for you for this car, please comment. Thank you, bye.